Welcome to the Electronic Visit Verification informational video for the IHSS Telephone Timesheet System, Recipient Provider Registration. For general assistance with the IHSS Telephone Timesheet System, please contact the IHSS Service Desk at 866-376-7066. Select your preferred language and then select the Telephone Timesheet option. In this video, we will discuss how to register for an account for the IHSS Telephone Timesheet System as a recipient or a provider. Now, let's get started with getting your account registered on the IHSS Telephone Timesheet System, or TTS. If you are using this system for the first time, you will need to register for an account. To start the registration process, please call 833-DIAL-EVV or 833-342-5388. After calling the number displayed, the TTS will prompt you.
Thank you for calling the IHSS Telephone Timesheet System. Please select your preferred language from the following options. You may make your selection at any time. For English, press 1. For Spanish, press 2. For Armenian, press 3. And for Chinese, press 4.
You can make your selection by entering the number into your telephone keypad. After selecting your language, you need to let the system know if you are a recipient or if you are a provider. The TTS will prompt you.
If you are a recipient, please press 1. If you are a provider, please press 2.
On your telephone keypad, enter the corresponding number for your selection. After making your selection, you will be taken to the main menu. The TTS will prompt you.
This is the main menu. Please select from the following options. You may make your selection at any time. Press 1 to log in. Press 2 to reset your passcode. Press 3 for registration.
Since you want to register, on your telephone keypad, press 3. Please note, if you accidentally press the wrong number, for example, pressing 2 instead of pressing 3 for registration, you will be given the option to press 9 to return to the main menu. After choosing Selection 3 to register, you will need to enter some user information. The TTS will tell you that you need the following user information: a 6-digit registration code. Your registration code was mailed to you at an earlier date. If you do not have a registration code, please press 0 for assistance. You will then be transferred to the IHSS Service Desk. If you are a recipient, you will need your case number. It should be 7 digits and can be located on your notices of action. Or, if you are a provider, you will need your provider number. It should be 9 digits and can be located on any provider paperwork you have received, such as a previous pay stub, and your date of birth. Please note, the user information you enter must match our records to successfully complete your registration. If you receive a message informing you that your entry was not a match or not recognized, please contact your local county IHSS or IHO office to verify your information. When you have the required user information and are ready to continue, press 1. It is now time to enter your user information. The TTS will prompt you.
Using your telephone keypad, please enter your 6-digit registration code followed by the pound key. Your registration code was mailed to you at an earlier date.
On your telephone keypad, enter your 6-digit registration code followed by the pound key. After successfully entering your registration code, you will need to enter either your case number or your provider number, depending on if you are registering as a recipient or as a provider. In this example, we are registering as a recipient. The TTS will prompt you.
Please enter your 7-digit case number followed by the pound key. Your case number is located on any notices of action you have received.
As a recipient, on your telephone keypad, enter your 7-digit case number followed by the pound key. In our next example, we are registering as a provider. The TTS will prompt you.
Please enter your 9-digit provider number followed by the pound key. Your provider number is located on any provider paperwork you have received.
As a provider, on your telephone keypad, enter your 9-digit provider number followed by the pound key. After entering either your case number as a recipient or your provider number as a provider, you will need to enter your date of birth. The TTS will prompt you.
Please enter your date of birth followed by the pound key. Your date of birth should be entered as a 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and 4-digit year. For example, if your birthday is May 12, 1976, then you would enter 0, 5, 1, 2, 1, 9, 7, 6. Please enter your date of birth followed by the pound key.
On your telephone keypad, enter your date of birth in the correct format followed by the pound key. Next, it is time to create your passcode. Make sure that it is something you will remember and do not share your passcode. You will need it to complete your registration and access your account. You will use your passcode when you want to submit a timesheet for your recipient to review or when you want to approve or reject your provider's timesheet. The TTS will prompt you.
Your information has been confirmed. Now you will create your passcode. Your passcode will be a 4-digit number that you will use each time you log into the IHSS telephone timesheet system. Using your telephone keypad, enter the 4-digit number that you want to use as your passcode followed by the pound key.
On your telephone keypad, enter your passcode followed by the pound key. You will then need to confirm your passcode in the system. The TTS will prompt you.
To confirm your passcode, please re-enter the 4-digit number you selected followed by the pound key.
On your telephone keypad, re-enter your passcode followed by the pound key.
Congratulations! Your registration is complete and you are now registered to use the IHSS telephone timesheet system. You will now be taken to the main menu to log in, or you may hang up to end this call.
For recipients, you now have the ability to approve or reject your provider or providers' timesheets using your telephone. For providers, you now have the ability to enter time worked and submit your timesheets to your recipient or recipients using your telephone. This concludes the electronic visit verification informational video for the IHSS telephone timesheet system recipient provider registration. Please continue to view additional informational videos at the highlighted website address to learn more about the IHSS telephone timesheet system.